With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Our question is pH of a solution produced when an aqueous solution of pH is equal to 6 is mixed with an equal volume of an aqueous solution of pH is equal to 3 is about what? So we over here are supposed to tell the final pH of the solution when we are mixing two solutions, one with the pH 6 and one with pH 3, right? And both have equal volumes. So first of all, what is pH? pH we know is minus log of hydrogen ion concentration, right? So if we talk about the first case that we have pH is equal to 6, right? So when pH is equal to 6, that means 6 is equal to minus log of H positive ion concentration, right? So from here we can find the H positive ion concentration. How? H positive ion concentration would be equal to what? Anti-log of minus 6, because log H positive is 6, right? Minus log H positive is 6. So H positive ion concentration would be equal to what? Anti-log of minus 6, right? And this would be what? This would become the power of 10, right? So our H positive ion concentration would be equal to 10 raised to power minus 6, right? Similar for pH value of 3, the H positive ion concentration for that solution would be anti-log of minus 3, right? So that means the H positive ion concentration of our second solution is what? This would be 10 raised to power minus 3, 10 raised to power minus 3. This is for the first solution and this is for the second solution, right? Now we have to find out the pH of the solution that is found by mixing of the two, right? Now these are what? These are basically our molarities. We can say this is our M1, right? And this is our M2, right? Now we know that whenever there is a case of mixing, we know that we have M1 V1 plus M2 V2 is equal to M into V1 plus V2, right? So over here we know M1 and M2, the volumes are the same, right? And we have to find out this final molarity or the H positive ion concentration. From there we can find the pH of the final solution, right? So over here we're gonna put the values. So if we see what would be this M, this would be equal to basically our hydrogen ion concentration. This would be equal to what? M1 V1. M1 is this 10 raised to power minus 6, and the volume, let it say that we have V volume, right? And then for M2 we have 10 raised to power minus 3, and again it also has the same volume, so that would be V as well, divided by the total volume. This is V and this is also V, so V plus V means 2V, so this would be divided by 2V, right? So from here we can calculate H positive ion concentration. Now V is gonna cancel out, right? Because if we take out V from here, this V would get cancelled by this. Now over here H positive, the total H positive I would be equal to what? Now these are what? These are 10 raised to power minus 6 and this is 10 raised to power minus 3. So we're gonna take out 10 raised to power minus 3 in common. So over here we're gonna have 10 raised to power minus 3, then we're gonna have 1 over here plus 1 divided by 2, right? So this would be equal to what? Now this is what? This is 10 raised to power minus 3. That means we have 0.001 plus 1, right? Divided by 2. So our H positive ion total would be equal to what? This would be 1.001, right? So this would be equal to 1.001 into 10 raised to power minus 3 divided by 2, right? So when we solve this, we get a value of 5 into 10 raised to power minus 4, right? So now we're gonna find out the pH of our new solution. That would be equal to minus log of H positive ion concentration, the total H positive ion concentration that we have find out over here. So it would be equal to minus log of 5 into 10 raised to power minus 4. So this would be equal to minus log 5, right? And then plus minus log of 10 raised to power minus 4. So it would be plus minus log of 10 raised to power minus 4. So minus 4 is gonna come in front and it would be plus 4 log 10, and log 10 is 1. So this would be equal to minus log 5 plus 4 into log 10, and log 10 is what? This is 1. So it would be 4 minus log 5. So this is 4 minus log 5, right? So the pH, the final pH that we have got our is 3.3, right? So this is our answer. This is the pH of our new solution that we got when we have mixed the solution, one with the pH 6 and one with the pH 3, right? So this is the final pH of the solution.
If we look at our options, we have first option as 3.3, which is the correct option. 4.3 is not correct, 4.0 is not correct, 4.5 is not correct. The pH that we are getting as answer is 3.3, so our answer to this question is option number 1.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.